Moving on to quality circles. Now, quality circles are groups of 6 to 10 employees identified to concentrate on quality issues affecting the production, or when it comes to quality in delivering to customers, from different levels and disciplines within an organization to meet regularly to discuss problems of quality, quality control, customer care, or related issues in the when it comes to the work atmosphere. So, what are the different quality issues that you encounter in the day-to-day operations? So, it involves different people from different departments and across different levels, those from the bottommost level, those who are handling the job, and people who are supposed to take decisions. So, it involves people across the fabric of the organization to form a small team to discuss on these issues and arrive at solutions. Now, what is the purpose of empowerment? Why do you really need to talk about empowerment? So, to free employees from rigorous control and order, gone are the days when you thought employees could be managed by your force method, command and control method. No, to release them from rigorous control and order, you need to adopt this empowerment approach to give employees opportunities for growth and job satisfaction. When you empower employees, what happens is they have something called job satisfaction, and they grow in the organization as a result of this job satisfaction. To release and develop resources in the workforce, when you empower people, you unlock their hidden potential and they get a chance to move forward. So you can identify resources who can really move forward and take your organization to a different level, and to harness employee commitment and to decentralize decision making. All aspects of decision making should not be concentrated in a few hands, or it should not be centralized. So it is safe, and it also makes sense to decentralize decision making. So empowerment gives you these purposes, and in turn gives you a wide range of benefits. Now let's take a look at a video wherein an empowered team, what it can really do to an organization and what it delivers, starting from scratch to when you deliver something to a company. Empowerment also involves not just giving power to your people, you also need to supplement the empowerment activity or the process through delayering, reducing the number of layers, the hierarchical levels, so that decision making is faster, information flows in a smooth way. So you have to delayer your organization, having as few levels as possible, giving them flexibility. When you adopt new technology enables empowered teams to work better. So you have to provide them the right means. Employee development, give them adequate space and time and the measures and the programs to develop themselves so that they take the efforts forward. And finally, unit trust employee relations. Now, employer and employee have shared goals, so it is not two different ends of the spectrum, but they have shared goals. Now, this is totally empowerment. In addition, if you have all this process involved, it really gives a workforce which is really empowered. Now, what are self-managed teams? These are highly developed teams. This is the most advanced form of team working, wherein, let's see what are the characteristics. The managerial responsibility is totally with the team. They enter into contracts, service level agreements, SLA is what we call it, with the management team to perform their day-to-day operations in a fully autonomous way. They have clearly defined roles and responsibilities, and they plan their day-to-day activities and control functions, and even they have the power to recruit the team members. They plan, they go forward and train people to a certain extent in internal people management functions. And cross training, they have sort of cross training within their team members so that they can be deployed in different roles, so that the dependency level on particular person on a particular job is reduced. And weekly team meetings are conducted to review the performance of the team, so as any tweaking needs to be done, it can be done on a weekly basis. But these are highly developed styles of team working, wherein they take their own decisions and they manage their own affairs to a certain extent by using the guidelines laid down by the management. Now, what is total quality management? It's a Japanese concept. It's a Japanese inspired orientation to quality, wherein quality values and aspirations are applied to the management of all resources and relationships, starting from your supply chain, your vendors, to your customer. So within the firm and throughout the value chain, as you would have seen from the ad, it starts from scratch, wherein quality needs to be infused, and the level of quality which goes in is what it comes out in the end product, and it results in customer satisfaction and improved and increased business. So quality should run through the blood, through the length and breadth of the organization, and it lays an emphasis on continuous improvement in excellence. Now, what are the two key aspects of TQM? One is quality chains. As I said, your chain is only strong as its weakest link. So it should be consistent, and quality practices should start from right from your supply chain, let's say your vendors, and to the point of delivery of your product or service to the customer. And total involvement, quality or best quality is possible only when all levels and all layers of the organization, starting from your management to the last level employee, they are focused on quality aspects. This brings in total involvement. On the whole, this is what we've seen in the empowerment of employees. What are the benefits, how empowerment is done, and what it can achieve for the organization as a whole. Thank you.